We have been gone for about a week, week and a
Yeah.
half, and since that time, Emmett has been done. It's completed and bonus staged.
Yeah, we haven't even seen it yet, so
No,
we just rolled in right today, and we're gonna go inside and see what it looks like. It's all done.
look at the outside though. The outside looks fantastic. Now this used to be a garage door, but
No,
I like the way they've
it
done
never
this
had a garage
because
door. It had somebody makeshift door.
yeah, because
But
it's really
this,
storage.
yeah, I wish it would have touched up the paint better at the bottom, but that's okay. It looks good.
This looks fantastic, and they even came over. I heard that they cleaned this whole area up as well.
This is the irrigation ditch that we paid
Yeah,
for. And what's sad about it is that it is growing already. We just mowed this down like it's already growing.
it's happy grass.
Uh,